Do you need to add a file upload button to your Framer websites? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do that using a tool called Weavly AI. It's available as a plugin within Framer. So the plugin in itself is rather basic. You just paste a URL of a form that you generate with Weavly AI, which is what we're going to do right now. So this is their landing page. Don't really need to look at it. Just hit the start for free button. And what it does is you have this conversational AI, which is specifically made to build forms and surveys. In our case, it's going to be pretty basic. We're just interested in the file upload element. So let's say I need a simple form for my website. I want to ask a visitor's email address, and I want a file upload button where they can upload a document. So I'm going to transcribe what I just said. And then we're going to press send, and it's going to build everything for us. So in this case, it's going to be basic 2 questions, which I'm assuming is going to be in a single page, but you could also have a multi-page form if you need to. So there you go. We have the form as we requested it. So we have our email address and our file upload here. Now, this is not going to blend in very well with our website. So let's quickly change the theme as well. Make this minimal only use black and white, for example. So make sure that it more or less matches our website. We could also specify the font and that sort of stuff, but we're not going to go into that much detail for this tutorial. All right, so there we have it. We essentially have the form the way we need to. So 2 simple questions, a file upload. In the preview, you can test the file upload. So I can just upload a file and it will come into the results over here. But of course, that's not what we want. We want to publish it and embed it on our website. So when you publish it, you get the URL that I talked about in the beginning, namely the one that you need to paste into the plugin in Framer. And then when you press add to canvas, it's going to create a component which is essentially your form and which you can drag and drop into the page. So let's set the width to fill so that it looks a bit nicer. And essentially there we have it. So let's publish this to our Framer website and try it out so that you can see that it works. So it's going to blend into the website rather well. So maybe the font, we could have adapted the font to match the website, but it doesn't really matter here. I'll leave my email address and let's upload a file real quick. So for example, we could use this template card here. So we have untitled.pdf as our file upload. And when we press submit, you'll actually see that the results come in to Weavly. So if we go into the results tab, you'll notice we have our submission here with our file, and then we can click this open and you'll see it's this card that we uploaded, this business card. So of course, data comes into Weavly, but should you want your file uploads to be somewhere else as well, there's integrations with Google Sheets, HubSpot. You can also just continue automating with Make or Zapier if you want to do stuff afterwards with that file as well. But essentially, that's how you build a form with a file upload with AI using Weavly and then embed it into Framer using the plugin.